Today, Bitcoin sinks below $21,000 again. Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, which is the biggest crypto fund in the world, has been trading at a huge discount. Grayscale halted redemptions, which led to a class action lawsuit claiming, quote, mismanagement on Grayscale's part. By noon Eastern, Bitcoin slipped below the $21,000 mark, Ether dipped to $1,500, and Dogecoin ticked lower, trading around 8 cents. Digital Currency Group is suspending its dividend in an effort to keep cash on hand. Bloomberg reports that the company sent a letter to shareholders on January 17th saying the business was focused on strengthening its balance sheet by, quote, reducing operating expenses and preserving liquidity. DCG's Genesis trading was hit hard by the FTX collapse. The company warned it would have to file for bankruptcy if it couldn't raise funds. In turn, Gemini's customers lost access to nearly $1 billion in funds on the Genesis platform.
Hello and welcome back to Cryptollennium. Top reasons why the crypto market is falling today. The DOJ takes aggressive action against crypto exchange Bitzlato. Genesis is planning to file for bankruptcy, and Binance, Ether, Bitcoin all lower as the US economy slows. So without further ado, please like and subscribe and let's dig in. As you can see, Bitcoin is not quite above 21,000 as it was in yesterday's episode. The week does show strength, but then if you switch to the daily, you'll see that we are actually losing momentum, and it is confirmed here through the MACD, and we are getting a red candle finally. RSI is greatly overbought, so it's about time to see a correction. So why is the crypto market falling? Well, a lot of people are speculating that it's due to this exchange being taken down. So the US Department of Justice takes action against Bitzlato, arrests co-founder. So the DOJ pretty much severed the connection between Bitzlato and the dark web marketplace Hydra, effectively ending the conduit for illegal cyber transactions. Today, the DOJ unveiled charges that include money laundering and ransomware attacks against Bitzlato after arresting the Hong Kong registered exchange's founder, Anatoly Lechkodemov, in Miami on Tuesday. And then the DOJ proceeded by having a press conference today, Wednesday, after 12 noon Eastern Standard Time to announce charges against Lechkodemov and Bitzlato. The DOJ confirmed that Bitzlato's connection to the dark web marketplace Hydra is responsible for facilitating millions of dollars of criminal transactions and helping create a safe haven for criminal activity across the globe. Apparently, this Hydra marketplace accounted for 80% of the dark web's transactions. More importantly than that, Genesis is planning to file for bankruptcy. Finally, they announce it, or maybe this is an unofficial announcement, but it's in the works. So another one bites the dust. A report suggested the initial bankruptcy filing from Genesis could come before February. According to a January 18th Bloomberg report, Genesis previously said it was considering a bankruptcy filing if it were unable to raise cash amid a liquidity crunch, a situation similar to that preceding crypto exchange FTX's Chapter 11 filing in November. Citing people with knowledge of the situation, Bloomberg reported Genesis could file as soon as this week. Genesis suspended withdrawals following the FTX bankruptcy filing. As we all remember, should the firm file for bankruptcy as well, it would be the latest in a series of collapses, including Terraform Labs with Luna, Voyager Digital, Celsius Network, Three Arrows Capital, FTX, and BlockFi. Arguably, all of them were interconnected and commingled. And to support the narrative that DCG and Genesis aren't doing well, crypto conglomerate DCG suspends dividends amid distress at Genesis unit. In response to the current market environment, DCG has been focused on strengthening our balance sheet by reducing operating expenses and preserving liquidity, it told shareholders on a letter on Tuesday. On top of this, research shows Bitcoin spot to futures ratio shows retail drove price above $20,000. Meaning retail buyers continue to pile into Bitcoin at a greater proportion compared to institutions and professional traders. Now, take it as you will, but this, in my mind, is not a good sign as far as this current rally that we're in. And the reason for this is because retail traders cannot prop the price up alone. Institutions and professional traders have significantly larger amounts of capital to deal with, meaning this is a short-lived rally, most likely. As we're about to go over the three firms that are planning to announce job cuts in the near future, Coinbase is planning to cut around 20%, We just saw them shut down operations in Japan. Consensus, the company behind MetaMask, will also add to the crypto layoffs. Super Rare, a well-known NFT platform, is planning on laying off more than 30% of its workforce. With this said, it is easy to get caught up in the hype, especially in a rally. But keep your eye on the prize, stat cash, and remain patient. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.